हेलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे ए फॉर एप्पल, बी फॉर बॉल। तो ये है हमारे कलर्स। ये है पिंक कलर, ग्रीन कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, येलो कलर, रेड कलर, पिंक कलर। ए फॉर एप्पल, ए फॉर एप्पल, ऑरेंज कलर। बी फॉर bat, B for bat, red color. C for cat, C for cat, yellow color. D for dog, D for dog, green color. E for elephant, E for elephant, E for elephant, pink color. F for fish, F for fish, orange color. G for goat, G for goat, red color. H for horse, H for horse, yellow color. I for ice cream, I for ice cream, green color. J for jug, J for jug, pink color. K for kite, K for kite, K for kite, orange color. L for lion, L for lion, red color. M for monkey, M for monkey, M for monkey, yellow color. N for nest, N for nest, green color. O for owl, O for owl, pink color. P for parrot, P for parrot, Q orange color. Q for quail, Q for quail, red color. R for rabbit, R for rabbit, yellow color. S for sheep, S for sheep, green color. T for tiger, T for tiger, pink color. U for umbrella, U for umbrella, U for umbrella, orange color. V for van, V for van, red color. W for watch, W for watch, X yellow color. X for Xmas, X for Xmas, green. Y green color. Y for yak, Y for yak, Z pink color. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for owl, P for parrot, Q for quail, R for rabbit, S for sheep, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yak, Z for zebra। अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किए बिना मत जाना। बाय बाय बच्चों, अपना ख्याल रखो।